In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for school. By the end, you'll have a streamlined workspace that keeps your classes, schedule, notes, and deadlines organized in one place. Start by building a gallery view database for your current classes. Think of each card as a subject, like biology or history. Inside each card, add quick links to the syllabus, your professor's contact information, and any course websites or portals you use. This gives you a visual dashboard where a single click opens everything you need for that class. Next, set up your weekly schedule using a board view database grouped by days of the week. Add your classes as cards under Monday through Friday, and include class times and locations in the card details. This gives you a clear, at-a-glance view of where you need to be and when, which is especially helpful during busy weeks. At the top of your main page, add a small inbox section for quick capture. Use this as a parking lot for thoughts, to-dos, or reminders you don't have time to organize in the moment. Later, you can sort these into the right database or class page without losing momentum. For your tasks and assignments, make sure your database includes these properties: a course relation to connect each task to the right class, a due date, a status with not started, in progress, and done, and a priority. These fields make it easy to filter, sort, and focus on what matters most. Create multiple views of this task's database. Use a table view for fast, bulk entry when you are adding lots of items at once. Switch to a calendar view to see your monthly workload spread across the weeks, for long-term projects like essays or group work. A timeline view helps you see how tasks span across time. To keep yourself on track, add a formula property that calculates days left until each deadline. This simple countdown keeps urgent tasks front and center and helps you plan your week with fewer surprises. Within your notes database, create a new lecture template. Pre-fill sections for learning objectives, keywords, and a summary area. This structure makes your notes more consistent and faster to review. If you like the Cornell method, set it up with toggles. Keep your main notes in one section and use toggles to hide and reveal your questions for active recall later. It's a great way to quiz yourself while studying. Finally, embed resources directly in your class notes. Attach lecture slides as PDFs linked to recorded lectures, or embed YouTube tutorials so everything stays in context. Thanks for watching.